Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, or welcome if you're new here. I've got a really exciting video today. So I placed an order for my first Looxi eyeshadows. I've heard so much about Looxi through my friends Naomi and Lisa, and I've never had the opportunity. Amy was sending me some friend mail and I asked her if I could ship a Looxi package to her home and she could put it in the package that she was sending to me, and she said yeah, of course. So I did. And I went mad, guys, because there was $2.50 when I ordered mine. There was a sale, so I ordered myself 10 and I ordered Amy 3 just to kind of say thank you for letting me ship them to her house. And I've forgotten the shades that I ordered for Amy. There's 2 that I know of, so let's go through them. I'll show you what they look like. I'm not going to do any swatches though, just purely because I want to do them in shorts. So first one, we've got this lovely blue, and that one's called Electric Lemonade. I'm really surprised I've even bought blue, but it has got kind of a flip to it, like a blue pink. And these aren't classed as duochromes or multichromes, they're classed as auroras, which is kind of, I would say that they're going to be like duochromes. You can't expect to pay $2.50 and get a multichrome out of it. That's just not how it works. Then we've got another blue. I don't know why he ordered so many blue eyeshadows. It's like I was channeling Naomi. This one though, yeah, it does have a pink flip as well. That's Screwball. And I know I picked one of those up for Amy as well, Screwball. The next one is like another blue to green flip, and this one is Santa Monica. What's that one? So that's the downside of Looxi, you just can't get them in the UK. I feel like they did international shipping at one point, but they just don't do it anymore. Then we've got a purple. Someone who doesn't wear purples is ordering purple singles. I'm not making any sense, am I? Looks very sparkly. Oh, I think it's because of the flip. So it's purple but it flips gold. I don't think you're gonna get that, but yeah, it flips gold. That one's called Scream. Then I've got like a peach one as well. That one's called Catty-Pillar. And when I told Lisa, I've dropped the packaging. When I told Lisa that I'd ordered some Luxis, she's like, I hope you ordered Catty-Pillar. Damn right. Next up, I don't know why I'm looking on the back of the packaging. Next up is Angel Wings. Not seeing much of a flip there either, but you'll see more of a flip when I do the shorts, I guess. And then got this gold one. No, it's a yellow. I think it's a yellow to orange and it's called Nectar. Yeah, I definitely need another magnetic palette. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So next up is Dido. Oh, that's the yellow to blue shift, so I don't know what the other one was. Oh my gosh, that looked beautiful at that angle. What's this one? Cookie Dough. This is like a white to pink, or that's how it looks when I'm looking at it. Yeah, white to pink. So that was Cookie Dough. Then I've got, I don't know if this one's Amy's. No, that one's mine. Solstice. Well, we've not got many left. Maybe all these are Amy's. Or maybe I didn't order as many as I thought. Yeah, I definitely ordered this one for me, Ube. So them 2 in the box must be Amy's. Yeah, that's Screwball, I know for a fact, because I ordered one of them for me. And then this one, can't remember the name of it. I know I ordered Amy a pink one. So I've only ordered a 2 instead of 3. Fuchsia AF, I remember ordering her that for sure. So those 2 are for her. So I've got a box of goodies that I'm gonna send to her. I can always order Amy some more anyway if she likes the formula. she doesn't have much singles in her collection and she wanted to try some singles, so those are coming to you, Amy. Sorry there's no third shade. I honestly thought I ordered you a third shade, but all those ones I can remember ordering for myself. I mean, have they not put one in? How many have I got here? So Amy's got the delivery note, and I'm sure there was 13 in. So I must have ordered 11 for myself and not 10. Yeah, that's what I've done. Sorry, Amy. My bad. Right, so I'm going to put mine in the box there. And I'll put Amy's in her package. Let's just put them up there so I don't get mixed up. So this concludes this video, guys. Let me know if you've ordered any Looxi eyeshadows. Let me know of any shades that you think I'm missing. Any really nice like shifty shades. I'd love to know that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, it really does help my small channel grow. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.